Good evening, YouTube. Needlebender785 Ohio with a full review and pre-shipment video for this 2sc2879C box, all biased for sideband and all ready to go. Just got to put the lid on it, and we're going to run through some tests and see what it's doing on some meters. And of course, we're going to include waveforms. Right now I did some tests on it recently prior to the video, but we're going to do a fresh test on it. But we got some data that's frozen on the screen there, and just for those skeptics out there, we're going to rerun the test, of course, and we're going to reset all that to 0 and actual live stuff, and right there. But anyway, we're going to go right now. What we had on the screen was a two-tone test with an IMD, but we're going to go into show harmonics as well, because that's what we like to do. And let's see, for that purpose, we're going to hit that. Anyway, we got, let's run through some numbers here. So, while I switched the radios around, because we had my two-tone generator, which is my Yaesu FTDX10 with the ultra pure sound that I use. And for those of you that are interested on how I'm doing that, I'm using a software called Audacity. It's a Windows software. It's absolutely free. It's not a it doesn't ask you to buy anything, sign up, or pay for anything. It's a full freeware version of audio editing software. Sorry, can't speak today. Worked all night. But as far as generating two tones, it is absolutely super simple, just a few clicks. And I'm using this free software to key the Yaesu. It's called WSJT-X. And I'm just using their test push-to-talk switch, because I haven't really done a deep dive on this software, and I'm kind of illiterate actually when it comes to this particular software. It's actually like an FT8. I'm not really knowledgeable when it comes to that, but I can key the box from here. That's all I need to do in this situation. I play the tone, and then I key the box, and it just demonstrate right now. There you go. And that generates a two-tone, and it goes to here. So right now we're going to switch it up a little bit, and as you can see, this piece of cable right there goes to this 5-watt slug in reverse, and we got a 1000-watt slug in here, and we're going to unselect the peak kit. So right now we're going to be in average power. We got the spectrum analyzer. We're going to switch this. As you can see, this wire right here, and follow that along right there, that goes to our sampler, and that's going to go into here. We're going to be sampling our harmonics. And just to demonstrate that, the box is off. That's our principal signal. It's me keying audio. That's our principal signal. And just to demonstrate what we're doing, and we got about 6-watt dead key going in there. Audio. That's forward, and then we're going to put it in reverse. And let's do the first things first. We're going to demonstrate. So let's do this Striker 955. We're on AM channel 38, and let's go through here. Audio. Let's put our peak kit on for this moment, so we can demonstrate our power. Audio, just about 100 watts, and we want to be an average just to show. Now we got the slug in reverse, 5-watt slug, and we're going to show our pass-through tune. Audio. Just movement of the needle, as you can see. Audio. So, absolutely fantastic pass-through tune. And turn on our box, and we're going to key and see what we got for dead key going on. Move this wire out of the way, and that's kind of messing things up a little bit here on the video. but let's see. About a 100 watt dead key. We can do a little more, but we're going to leave it at that. Signal. As you can see, just a little harmonic when we first key up. Audio, 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 audio. But absolutely no harmonics from 0 to 200 megahertz. Audio. Input tune. Audio, 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 audio. 1/10 of a watt. This thing tuned out very nicely. I did tune out a little bit differently than I'm used to. I used a 620 over here on the swamping on the input, and I used 135 on the input there. Had to drop this one to 120. And again, these transistors, they're not all the same. They tune out differently. So this one tuned out real nice, but it took a little bit. It took a couple of days of swapping out parts and getting the best tune I could on this. And let's take a look at the average power on the output. About 210 average. Let's put the peak kit on and see what we're doing here on the good old peak meter. About 550 watts. Now we've completed that portion of the test, and then we're going to swap our radios, and we're going to do the portion of the test that everybody kind of wanted to see, since we haven't done that. And by the way, if those are you interested, we're on 15.3 volts. That's measured and sampled directly right off here. So right now we got our Yaesu FTDX10, and we're going to take a look at the signal. I'm going to go trigger the signal generator here, and we're going to hit test. Boom. Let's look at the power. 400 watts, and we'll put the signal right there, and it's live. Hit freeze, and I'm going to unkey because we don't want to keep heating this thing up. So take a look at that sine wave right there. Two-tone signal, absolutely no crossover distortion, and shows a really good wave. Now, as you can see, if you go up in power, this is at 400 watts. This is kind of 400, maybe 420, 450. This is where this thing kind of would get the best, cleanest signal. I'm not saying that's how people are going to operate it, but I'm just telling you what these transistors are really designed to do. And absolutely flawless waveform right here at 400 watts. PEP. You could get a little bit more and still sound good. And a lot of people, especially in the CB world, won't notice the difference, to be honest with you. But if you're a signal Nazi, audio Nazi, whatever you want to call yourself, here's what the waveform looks like. And I'm going to do one more test since everybody kind of asked about that. We're going to do an IMD test just to show you what the intermod distortion is on this, since we can. Let's do go to System and Config, and we'll go to two-tone test preset. So now this thing is set up for two-tone test. I'm going to go key the box, and I'm going to go do average of 5 sweeps, and I'm going to hit that button as soon as I key up, and then we're going to do an analysis of that. There we go. We're live. It's live. We're going to hit that and stop. Okay. Stop transmitting, and we're done with our tests. Now we're going to analyze the data we have in front of us. We're going to go to peak, and then we're going to go to marker, delta, and we want to measure our dB. And we got 21.3 dB for the third, and 36.3 for the fifth. Overall, I would say pretty good performance. The other transistors that are not C, I've seen about 18, so these are at 400 watts. Like I said, so if you want to stay around 20 dB, you can go probably about 450 to stay clean. As you go up in power to closer to 550, you will see these come up quite a bit. And I'm just a messenger. I'm showing you what my own box is doing, not trying to trash anybody else's product. As a matter of fact, I'm trashing my own. I'm just kidding, but just showing you what it's doing, what its max capabilities are. But you know what? If anybody else out there wants to show what their product is doing, they'll be fantastic for the hobby. Just saying. And again, got all I got left to do is drop in a sideband delay and put the fan on it, and this thing is ready to go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing to the channel. More videos to come. Needle Bender 785 Ohio. I'm back on the site.